First thing we're going to do is take a look at what the home screen looks like on a device. So we're logging in. We've launched the App Center, and we're going to add our credentials and log in here. This will take a few minutes. While we're doing this, this is the view that our users have on the platform. They log in, connect up, and take a look at the apps they have on the device. In this case, we have an expense app, and we're going to go ahead and install their update here. It looks like there was an update, so we're installing it. You'll see the application get installed, and now we're going to launch it. In this case, it launches, and we're able to see documents, and looks like we have Dropbox installed. We can share that to Dropbox if we want. Well, we don't really want to do those things in that app. We would like to really make sure that we connect up and we validate the users before we do this, and we really don't want to share these documents in this as well. So let's take a look at how to edit the policy. We've got our corporate policy here. By default, it doesn't. We're allowing doc sharing. We're going to restrict document sharing as well in our corporate default policy. We've edited the policy. We've created it. Now we will move over and apply that policy. So we flip to the apps, open up the app. We're going to put a comment in here that this version of the app is policy constrained. While we're doing that, we'll pick down the corporate default policy we just created. We'll save it in just a minute, and when we save it, this is now that policy is baked into the app. So the app goes into the bakery. No source code. You notice no source code has been modified whatsoever. And the app is in fact badged as well to note that policy has been set on it. We'll go back to our user environment, open up the App Center store and re-authenticate ourselves. What we should find is that we've got an updated app that we will download. And if we've done our job correctly, the policies and behavior of that app will change. We've got a notification that we've got an update available, so we'll push on that app. And download our update. Accept the update. And I apologize for the delay here. It's just poor connection. You can see we updated it and it's badged. We launch our app. We've launched the app, and you remember a few minutes ago we said that you needed to authenticate before you launch this app. So this time, with no source code change whatsoever, we've changed the behavior of the app distributed by our corporate enterprise app store. And we are authenticating ourselves as a user before launching this app. So re-authenticating, again, no source code changes whatsoever. And there's our app again. Now let's see what happens. We also restricted the document sharing. So let's take a look at that capability and pull down the doc we had attached. There's that same document. And let's go ahead and try to see if we can share it. Pull down, and you'll notice that we have been told that we are not allowed to share that app. So there you have it. Policies applied to apps with no modifications whatsoever to the source code. This is what we can do with Nucona App Center, and how Nucona will help you and your enterprise manage and secure apps on these next generation devices.